Hi, good morning everyone. This is Bhuwana Vasista from Cadness Basvanagudi. Welcome to our Cadness YouTube channel. Today, I am going to discuss about the examples of decision making skills. So, you must incorporate a wide variety of skills to make the right decisions. Let's discuss about a few points here. Problem solving, leadership, reasoning, teamwork, emotional intelligence, creativity, time management, organization. Problem solving. Leaders can employ their problem solving skills to make critical decisions for their company. You need to factor in different viewpoints to consider the numerous variables required to make a thoughtful decision. It's a necessity that you separate the emotions from the conversations you have with people that will influence your decision making. The essence of having adept problem solving skills is that you can formulate decision quickly and effectively. So you need to do much more work on this situation. Leadership. Leadership is defined as the act of organizing several employees within your organization, and good leadership can establish a particular decision. In this case, leadership involves working with people to evaluate the present and motivate them to achieve their goals once a decision is made. Make sure that you will take time to build a strong relationship with your co-workers so you can get to know them and have them be comfortable to speak freely around you. The more engaged and personable you are, the higher the likelihood there is to work with your team and making productive choices that have a long-term impact. Reasoning. Reasoning is one of the main skills needed to be informed about the decision you can make. Make sure that you review all the advantages and disadvantages of the decisions that you are considering taking action on. This is the best way to reason with the present and plan for the future while staying objective and grounded during this process. Consider all available and relevant points of data to help you guide your decision making and take a stance about what you are making it with. You want to keep your reasoning aligned with the people you trust and aim to stay committed to goals you are trying to achieve. So with this, I am completing my session here. Thank you.